we're starting to get some of the pot stocks reporting, and yes, there's enough of them to lump them all in their own video now. So which pot stock has the best earnings chart? Are there any earnings? Let's take a look and see. So the first one out of the gate is already reporting here, Aurora Cannabis. Now, they only started trading, as you can see, in early 2018 on the US exchange. We actually don't have any covering analysts here at Zacks yet because a lot of the industry on Wall Street hasn't covered any of these companies yet. So the number of analysts is very small, and this one in particular doesn't even have any yet. So we're going to have to tune in to see what they say about earnings, but there is actually, almost no data there. Now let's switch over to the next one, Canopy Growth. Now this one, as you can see, we have two red arrows, so we do have some covering analysts on this one. They've been around a little bit longer, one of the initial ones that went public back in 2017 here on the US stock market. It's had two misses, but again, these aren't heavily covered, so you got to take that with a grain of salt here. But this one, was really rebounded off those 2018 lows, and so we're going to have to wait and see what they say this quarter. Then switching over to Cronos Group, this is another one that you might imagine does have analysts, and as you can see, it does. So this has been a split decision here. They beat on that first report out the gate, and then they missed last quarter. But again, traders really don't care about the earnings miss or beat with these. They are not heavily covered, but this one is really skyrocketed here in 2019. Then we're going to switch over to another popular one that does have coverage, Tilray. This one also a split decision, the miss and then the beat last quarter. And this is the one that just went soaring in 2018. It has come back down to earth, but what will happen when this report hits? And then we're going to finish it up with one that does not have quarterly estimates, but does have yearly estimates. So as you can see on this chart, we have no earnings miss or beat for the quarter, but there is one analyst covering innovative industrial properties, which is a REIT here in the United States, actually. And you can see it's really taken off because they have earnings and they're paying a dividend to those shareholders here with this REIT. So what they do is they buy buildings and then lease them out to growers in the cannabis industry. So this is a way that if you're interested in a company that actually does have some earnings, you might want to be looking at the pot industry as a whole or the sector here. But this one is really taken off here, and I'll be watching this on the earnings as well. So as you can see, there are traded companies, but it's kind of hit or miss so far on their earnings journey here. We're going to get some more analysts covering as this year goes on, and certainly into 2020 and 2021. So it'll get a little bit more reliable on those earnings misses and beats as more analysts join in and as the analysts get comfortable with the industry as well. But these are always interesting times, and it's good to take a look at the companies side by side to see what they're doing this earnings season. So if you want more videos, of course, I'll be bringing them to you for the rest of earnings season here at Zacks.com, and you can check us out on YouTube at Zacks.com/YouTube. It's an easy way to get there. Just go to Zacks.com/YouTube, and you'll find all of our videos there as well. I'll see you again next time.